So how do I step away from those feelings that are making me feel uncomfortable, that are disturbing and taking away my joy, my calm? Primordial sound meditation is extremely important because it gives you the tool of sitting down every single day using your birth mantra in a consistent meditative force that you connect with every day. It's divine guidance, it's the higher self. And who you are, your soul, who you are in this incarnation begins to come through. What your propensities are, your desires, your creative force comes through from this place. So that's why it's essential. Primordial sound meditation, your mantra meditation, is used to get connected to your soul self, to the divine, the place of infinite possibilities.